Good day, sir. My name is Marcos Mercado from BSIT4B. So, ito po yung aking midterm assessment 2. So, sir, dito muna ako gagawa sa may cellphone ko po kasi nasira po yung laptop ko po. Hindi po gumagana ngayon. So, part 1, open access. New block points name of student. Data warehouse. Creating 3 tables to present integrate data sources. Student table, subject table, grades table. So, dito naman po yung ginawa kong student table. So, meron siyang student ID 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So, yung full name niya, si Ana Cruz. At saka si Mark De La Peña, and then si Liza Ramos, and then Carla Reyes, Chinilim. So, of course, BSIT, BSCS, BSCS, BSIT, BSIS, BSCS. So, year label nila. So, nakalagay naman sa kanina. Year level 2, 3, 4, 1. Dito sa may student subject. Subject ID, primary key. Subject name, units. And then soon sa may subjects. Check na lang sa subjects. Student ID. Ulit. Kung ilang units. Tama naman po. Programming, web development. Tapos sa IT fundamentals. Database systems, data analytics. So, mayroon siyang unit 3, 3, 4, 3, 2. Student ID. Same ulit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, grades table. Grade ID, primary key, student ID, foreign key, subject ID, foreign key, grade, semester. Grade ID, student ID, subject ID, grade. So, nilagay ko yung mga 95, 99, 92, 85, 97 per semester, second semester. Part 2, show the table between steps using relationship tools, subject, grades, ID student. Tama naman po. And query and data analytics. Create a query name student performance that displays student course name and high grade. Create another query name high performance grade that show with 90 grades, 90 with grades 90 and above. Demonstrate how to sort and filter data to simulate data analytics and reporting features. Part 4, data visualization. Create a report based on your student performance query. Show all student grades in performance format. Add a chart or graph in your report to visualize students' performance per subject. So, sa query sa hindi ako makakagawa. Hindi ko malalagay dito sa may cellphone kasi wala naman pong paglalagyan. So, part 2. Record 5 minutes video while activating. So, while creating tables, queries, relationship, and reports, briefly explain each. You may use burst, oval, or caption. Ensure All parts of process are clearly stated. So, student, subject, and grades. So, student performance. So, ito yung query na ginawa ko. So, select student's full name as student name. And then, student course, subject name as subject name. So, yung grades niya, and then grade semester. From student, inner join grades on student. And student ID equals grades that's student ID. Inner join subject on grade subject ID equals subject ID. So, dito naman sa may average, sa may high performance. Ito naman yung query na nagawa ko, sir. Ito yung makikita kapag insert mo yung mataas na grade. Ito yung mga matataas na grade para lalabas yung high performance grades. Sila yung mga high performance grade. Dito naman sa average per grade, dito mo determine kung saan kung ano nga ba yung average ng grade mo per subject. So, yun lang po, sir. Thank you po.